Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you find it helpful. All the links mentioned in this review are down in the description below. Just a reminder that this is my personal experience using the platform, so your mileage may vary. Today, we're diving into Universe.com, a website builder that empowers creators to craft stunning landing pages and manage ticketing for events. Universe.com offers a streamlined approach to establishing an online presence, making it particularly appealing for individuals and small businesses. The platform boasts a user-friendly interface, simplifying the process of building visually appealing and functional web pages without requiring extensive technical expertise. This ease of use is a major advantage, allowing users to focus on content creation and event promotion rather than getting bogged down in complex coding or design challenges. A key strength of Universe.com lies in its integrated ticketing system. This feature enables creators to seamlessly sell tickets directly through their website, eliminating the need for third-party platforms and streamlining the sales process. By centralizing ticket management, Universe.com simplifies tracking sales, managing attendees, and communicating important event updates. Furthermore, this integration helps to create a cohesive brand experience for attendees, from the initial landing page visit to the ticket purchase and beyond. For creators seeking a comprehensive solution for building an online presence and managing event ticketing, Universe.com presents a compelling option. Its intuitive interface, coupled with the integrated ticketing functionality, makes it a powerful tool for individuals and businesses alike. The platform's simplicity and streamlined approach allows users to quickly establish a professional online presence and efficiently manage their events, all within a single platform. This unified approach ultimately saves time and resources, allowing creators to focus on what matters most, connecting with their audience and delivering exceptional experiences. Whether you're hosting a workshop, selling merchandise, or organizing a conference, Universe.com offers the tools you need to succeed in the digital landscape.